Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to file for the electric vehicle tax credit. This valuable credit can help reduce the cost of your new or used Tesla. You have two main options for claiming it. Either receive the credit as a reduction in your vehicle's purchase price at the dealership, or claim it when you file your annual tax return. It is crucial to confirm that your chosen dealership is registered with the Internal Revenue Service to facilitate this process. To qualify, your modified adjusted gross income must fall within specific limits, which vary for new and used vehicles. For new vehicles, the limit is $300,000 for married couples filing jointly, while for used vehicles, it is $150,000. The vehicle itself must also meet criteria, including manufacturers' suggested retail price caps, such as $80,000 for vans or sport utility vehicles, and $55,000 for other models. Additionally, the vehicle needs a battery capacity of at least 7 kilowatt-hours and must undergo final assembly in North America. Filing for your tax credit requires specific documentation. You will need to complete and submit Internal Revenue Service Form 8936, titled Clean Vehicle Credits, with your annual tax return. Crucially, the seller must provide you with a comprehensive clean vehicle report at the time of your vehicle purchase. This report contains vital information, including the seller's details, your information, the exact date of sale, and the vehicle's unique identification number. Always double-check that the vehicle identification number is correctly recorded on your Form 8936. Before we conclude, here are a few important reminders. This clean vehicle tax credit is non-refundable, meaning it can reduce your tax liability to zero, but you will not receive a refund for any excess credit amount. Also, any unused portion of the credit cannot be carried forward to future tax years. For personalized guidance, always consult a qualified tax professional to confirm your specific eligibility. Finally, it is always wise to verify both the vehicle and the dealer's eligibility before making your final purchase decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.